Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. Today is 25th June and I'm here with another very interesting video. First of all, sincere apologies from my side that I couldn't come on a regular videos as I promised. There's a series also that trading with AI, and I promise that every week I will post something. But I this is the second week and I couldn't post anything, but I promise. And this week you will have a follow-up video on this. This video, which we are gonna cover a very important subject, which I am not taking the AI because that particular subject I still feel that a person should be able to handle it by themselves. Yes, as a thumbnail is already must have suggested you that here we are talking about a very basic the day one subject of trading, which is finding the support and resistance. Okay. uh, as you already must have seen that I have started the live streaming on a daily basis. We are doing uh, on a weekday nighttime, on a weekend trying to on daytime plus the nighttime. I am getting a little engagement. I'm not saying that I couldn't got the engagement. I did get the engagement. Some very nice people joined me where we are doing the analysis on a daily basis on a crypto, gold, US oil, or some crypto coins as well. If you're looking this video, if you're seeing this video and you find it very nice, then you don't even know that what we are covering in our live streaming. Live streaming, the analysis is happening like a raw, means every analysis start from weekly, then daily, then 4 hours, then 1 hour, then 15 minutes, and then 5 minutes, which is for positional, plus it is good for scalping as well. So please join our live stream. You can find that in this YouTube channel also, previous few live streaming, and you will get, just come. And I'll say, I'm not saying I'm best, but I'm saying that give me a chance, give me a task, give me a chart, and see what analysis I'm coming up with. And then match with the price action. Okay. Having said that, let's start what we are going to cover in this video. In this particular video, we are going to start that how to find the support and resistance. Okay. Now, if I tell you about the support and resistance, because it sounds very cliche when I say that support and resistance, because every other traders talk about that yes, this is a support, this is a resistance. But if I ask 90% of the trader that can you draw that support and resistance on a chart, they will say no, that's something we don't know. They probably will bring some indicator, or they will try to use some line or something they will draw. But this is it, right? Because if you cannot draw a good support and resistance, believe me, half of the battle you lost there itself. Now, we in this video, as I said, there's nothing textbook in my videos. We are gonna do in this video what I'm gonna tell you step by step. Now, let's say on a morning, and this I still do today, there are around 300 to 350 charts which I analyze all through, and I always delete the drawing before I start the analysis. Like this is a fresh chart, there's no indicator, there is there is no lines, everything draw. Support and resistance is the, it's not one line. It can never be a one line support and resistance. Support and resistance will be the group of levels, means from this level to this level this is a support, from that level to from this level it's a resistance. Now first we understand, even before we start drawing what is support, what is resistance, let's see that ultimately what are these textbook definition of this. Now what is support? A support is a line or a group of level where prices is again and again taking a support, like so for example prices are going like this. Okay, here for example the price, this is a support level maybe. Okay, and what happens that the support is like where the prices bounces again and again, like prices going here, prices again come, and it again has taken the bounce from here, then here again came here, again taken the bounce. So when you see that a place where the prices are again and again taking the bounce, that particular level of the groups of the level we call it support. Now just opposite to it, okay, the what is resistance? So resistance, for example, Okay, the resistance like the support resistance is also cannot be a single line. It has to be a group of level, and resistance that from where the prices are again and again coming down. Like for example, prices are going like this, took the resistance, came up here, again normal price action going, again came here, again went down, and then here, again came down. Now a, a group of level where the prices are again and again taking coming down from here, that is called a resistance, which is the totally opposite of the support. Now, easier said than done. This is just a definition which I said, which is a textbook wise very easy to tell, but it's not very easy to follow. Now, what tell every trader that whenever you have to support, let's say today morning 7 o'clock I got up after doing brush and everything, I open my chart, and what I generally do, I remove all the drawing and I start drawing the support and resistance. Now if I tell you, let's talk about the support first. And for the support, I would suggest that you go to the 4 hours. Now, day will be a little bit more depth. We can do in day also. There's absolutely a right thing. But if I talk to you like on a 4 hours, can you tell me if that from which are the places where the prices are coming again and again and taking a bouncing off, like again pricing coming here bounce, coming here bounce. So if you see this, the what you do, chart will look like this. Just minimize a little chart like this, okay, and you will still see like the candles like this. Remember, I'm in 4 hour. So what you should do, that you should select this, okay, the rectangle, and what you should do is you should see that which is the place and start from anywhere. It's not necessary that you choose from up to right or anywhere. Whatever is the visible, start from there. Now, if I tell you here, if I see the price took the bounce from here, 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 here. Now, it means clearly I can see that this is the place where the prices are again and again are getting bounced. One more thing which you should do is when you draw a rectangle box, it will look something like this. So what we can see that the prices took one time, two time, three time, four time. If I little bit make it like this, then it will be one time, two time, three time, four time, five time, six time, seven time. Now, what you should also do is you should always highlight this left. Now, why I'm saying that? Because the prices which you are thinking is your support, if you go back, that as I said, that trading is the permutation combination in trading. What is trading? The answer will be permutation combination. What is permutation combination? Like a chance which gets repeated again and again, means something which has happened in historically can happen again. What are the chances of happening is the trading, right? Now, when I say the historically, it means the price which is taking playing like a support. Was there any support earlier? Let's see. Yeah, if you see here, earlier also from here the prices took bounce a lot of time. Before that, yes. Before that, yes. Okay. Now, if I, is there anything else which you're seeing in a 4 hours? Here. Okay. Let's highlight this also. Okay. What else? Here also. Now, once you have done with the 4 hours, let's go to the 2 hours. In 2 hour, are you seeing something like the prices took the bounce from here? We have already highlighted here. Here we have already highlighted. Now you see this also we have highlighted. This we have highlighted, this we have highlighted. In 2 hours, the prices were taking jump from here, we have highlighted. Is there anything where the prices took a halt and a lot of time took a jump? Yes, I can see this level. Yeah, this level. Okay. Is there any other level which I can see for support? No. Let's go to the 1 hour then. Remember, we are right now we are only finding a support, not the resistance. In support, do you see in 1 hour? In 1 hour, I see this also. Okay. If you see, prices came here to went up, came here, 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 went up. Now let's go to the 30 minutes also. Is there any level which we have missed here? No. 30 minutes, absolutely right. Let's see the 15 minutes. No? Yeah, in 15 minutes, every damn level is being marked here. Now let's see the 5 minutes, which many traders love it. See, prices jump from here, prices jump from here, prices jump, jump, jump. And this is, guys, once you are done with 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, 1 hour, this is the level, guys. If you see, you have already highlighted all the levels. Now, if someone else that, let's say that you take a short entry from here where the prices will halt, you already know. You know the places where the prices will jump, you already know the point. Okay. Now let's see, because we have all, I already talk about the support, let's talk the resistance now. Now you will see a magic here. Now you must have heard that line that support become resistance, resistance become support, means ultimately prices are halting or taking a bounce, whether it's a support, whether it's a resistance, same thing. For example, if I take the trade from here for a long, this will become my resistance. If I take the trade entry for a support here, right here, this will become my support. It means one level can is playing a support as well as a resistance. It means once you have found the support or you have found the resistance, you don't need to do this exercise again. Why I'm saying that? Let's see. Am I making any sense here? Let's see here. You see, the level which you created for support is also a level where the selling is also coming. Okay. All the places here the selling came, here the selling came, here the selling came. Why it's happening like this? Because your support become resistance and your resistance will become support, because that's how the price will go, right? Because here, let's say example, when as a trader, if you're looking at this level, what is this level? This level is 102270. At this stage, what is this level? This level for you is very heavy resistance, right? But for example, let's say you have crossed this and you're sitting, what example I'm saying? Let's say you're taking a trade here from here. This level is a resistance for you. Now, for example, by chance you have crossed that level. Now, this level for you at this level, this particular level is nothing but has become a resistance. So, a level which was a sub resistance here, okay, has become a support now for here. When you're here, this is your resistance. When you're here, this is support. Now, that's the beauty of support and resistance. Now, is there any other way of finding the support and resistance other than this? There's one way which really, really use it, which is the fib retracement. Now, what is fib retracement? Fib retracement is also nothing but a finding a support and resistance. Now, fib is a mathematician tool, right? How fib works? A fib works like this. Most of the time, you will see when you apply the fib is actually level is nothing but support or resistance here. Now, if you see here, where fib is stopping here. Let's mark this level for now. Now, let's see what else happened in this particular flag for me. Okay, your fib must be, let me draw your fib here. Fib from here, here. Okay, so now if you draw a rectangle box here, And for a minute, you can delete this. Now you see what this rectangle box is doing. Okay. This rectangle box is saying that already, and I didn't know about this level. I just put the fib here that yes, the buying came here on a one time here. The buying also came here. The buying very, very small, but still, if you don't count, buying also came here also. Okay. You see, buying also came here. Okay. Now, if I go here, buying also came here. Okay. Now let's go back in history. You see, exact from this level, the buying is coming. Now, what I'm trying to say, I'm trying to say that ultimately it's all part of price action, right? It's not possible that your fib will say some other support and your support and resistance when you try to find will say something else. No, if you're using a manual like I did in the first part of this video, wherever the wick is coming, wherever the buying is coming, there is a way of finding this. But if you find the fib more, like in this scenario, where I know exact the low, I know exact the high, I can probably do this, and this will give me the exact support. And what is this? This is my fib support. What I will say, this is my fib support. Okay. How else fib work? Now, this is my zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area. What fib says that you take the zero point 0.5 area and you apply another fib here. That will be your second support. Now, this will be a bigger support. This will be your partial support. When I say partial means that will be a little less heavy support. But support is support. Can I see that what happened on this level earlier? This I already know that here the buying came. What happened here also a little buying came. What else happening? Here also I'm seeing a major bullish candle came followed by the a lot of buying. What is other level? This is my buying. What else happened in this? Here also buying. If you see, just after the red candle, the green candle and buying started from here. What else happened on this level? Exact, your support become resistance, the selling came. It means something was happening from this level, which your fib is trying to say. Because what fib is ultimately, fib is saying that this is my zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area from where I either stop your candle for a retracement, or if it's crossed this, then it's a waterfall, which is exactly happening in this scenario, right? Now, this is your fib. Now, this is your one way of how you find this. What else fib says? The fib says that, and what I'm also teaching you very, very important that how to use fib. You're marking zero point 0.5 to point area, zero point 0.5 to swing high, zero point 0.5 to swing low. This is what I'm gonna cover in the fib class also in few days, right? Now, let me put one more fib here, which I'm putting from zero point 0.5 area to swing high. Fib, guys, fib is the only indicator which is not a lagging because fib is a mathematician formula. Okay. Now, what is happening here? The buying, selling, again buying, selling, buying, 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 buying. Means what has become? This has become very good support. So, if you ask me, okay, if someone must have taken the buying trade here at this stage, I'm not sure what is happening, but just by looking at the chart, it can follow like this. It retracement, go up. If it's break this, again the retracement can come here. If it's break this, again the retracement can come till here. Here, okay, here because this is a very flip support, here is the decision making time. Now either it has to go up from here again, or it has to break this level. Why? Because this is your zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area of fib, which is the main zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6, which is your swing low to swing high. Okay. So this is, guys, this is how you find the support and resistance. Ultimately, and I'll end this video by saying that trading is not only support and resistance, but trading is all about that there should be some level where you can anticipate that price is going to stay, or price can take a bounce, or price can further can come down. That's nothing but your support and resistance. People ask that what is your strategy of trading? I am saying support and resistance. People ask that what you should put in your chart? My answer is just support and resistance. People ask, do you use any indicator for support or resistance? My answer is no. I tell you why. Because, and I've not seen any other indicator. Maybe in market some genius must have created some indicator. But whatever the indicator which I have seen my early days, use that how many candles I took for my checks means 5 candle, 20 candle, 50 candle, 60 candle, 80 candle, 100 candle. Now, chances are that 100 candle has not given any support. Then from where you will get the support? What we did in the starting of this video, we did try it 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and 5 minutes. Your indicator will not do that. Okay. So that is why I always say that you do your analysis, there's nothing. What I did, I just find that where the bounce is coming and where the selling is coming, that is it. And if you don't understand that, use fib. Always remember that for fib you have to find the swing. That's it. Once you have found the swing, the it's a very easy for you to find out, right? So guys, I hope this video makes sense to you. If you have any question on this, that support and resistance, what I would suggest is you you yourself mark it, okay? And you can send me on my email also, which I will put in this description, and I can check for you. Let's help each other. I will also learn a lot from you, okay? And you learn a little bit from this video, and I will keep on making the video like this going forward every week, maybe alternate day, but I'll try my level best to post n number of videos which I can do. Okay. And also, I request all of you to support the live stream. Come on a live stream, challenge me with the charts, take those charts, you also mark something, and you give me the charts to analyze and see, are we our levels are matching? If yes, maybe my our thinking are matching with each other, right? That's a tick, and that is why you are here. That is why what the trading oxygen is here for, right? Trading oxygen is not to be here to just give you buy and sell signal. That is not what we are going to do here. Here, we are going to breathe the charts. We are going to make the charts easy for you. We are going to make that chart will speak with you. This is what the trading oxygen is all about. Guys, keep liking and subscribe this page. I'll see you in other videos. Thank you and good night.